Under Financial Report there is also the account ledger, where you can open any account and see every movement through it. For a foreign currency account it does something extra, and this is the dollar domiciliary account. At the top you get the opening and closing balances in both currencies side by side. This account holds $10,000, and its closing worth in naira is 16 million. And ZetaFisc shows you exactly how that naira figure is reached. Your $10,000 are valued at the closing rate of $1 to 1,600 naira, which gives 16 million. It even tells you where the rate came from. This one is your own saved rate, as of today. That rate comes from the foreign currency rate screen we looked at earlier, either the official rate you set yourself, or the live feed if you have not set one. So you always know exactly what rate produced the balance. Down in the movements, the opening funding went in as 15 million naira, and the small blue badge shows it was booked that day at $10,000 at a rate of 1,500. That was the rate at the time. The balance column, though, always uses the current closing rate, so it shows what the money is worth now, not just what it cost. The Euro domiciliary account works the same way. It holds 6,000 euros. Here the naira balance is 9,463,000 naira, the 6,000 euros at a closing rate of 1,577 naira. And this time the panel says the rate came from the live feed, because we did not set a euro rate ourselves. So every foreign account tells you the balance, the rate that produced it, and where that rate came from.